Hello innovators, and welcome back to the Master Data channel. South Africa's digital revolution is accelerating, but data chaos is holding businesses back. From POPIA headaches to cyber attacks and skills gaps, organizations are drowning in complexity. Today, we're decoding SA's top 7 data management challenges and giving you practical, actionable solutions to turn risks into rewards. Let's dive in. Challenge number 1, privacy under siege. High-profile breaches are exploding trust, while POPIA compliance feels like a minefield. One slip can mean fines, lawsuits, and reputation meltdowns. Here's your fix. Run monthly risk audits, hunt vulnerabilities in storage and transit. Deploy robust cybersecurity, think ISO 27001, data obfuscation, and MFA. Appoint a dedicated information officer to implement, review, and improve privacy policies. Train every employee. 90% of breaches start with human error. Challenge number 2, governance ghost town. If no one owns data quality or ethics, your AI projects will crash. 62% of companies indicate that governance gaps kill innovation. Take control. Launch a data governance council. Define owners, stewards, rules, and decision-making processes. Embed ethics in every project, audit algorithms for bias. Enforce interoperability standards. Make systems talk to each other. Challenge number 3, silos and dirty data. Sales can't talk to finance. Marketing data clashes with logistics. The result? Costly errors and missed opportunities. Break the walls. Start a data quality SWAT team. Clean, validate, and monitor critical data sets. Invest in integration tech, APIs, data lakes, cloud syncing. Create a single source of truth. A central warehouse for company-wide insights. Challenge number 4, the data flood. Storage costs are drowning budgets. 70% of stored data is unused. That's wasted cash. Fight back. Adopt data lifecycle management. Archive or delete old data automatically. Use cloud tiering. Save 60% by moving cold data to cheap storage. Compress and deduplicate. Shrink your storage footprint now. Challenge number 5, the talent drought. SA desperately needs data scientists, governance pros, and AI specialists. Build your dream team. Upskill relentlessly. Partner with training academies like eLearning Curve. Hunt globally. Remote talent fills gaps fast. Promote data literacy. Teach every employee to speak data. Challenge number 6, broken trust. Consumers don't know their POPIA rights, and they don't trust you. Solution, radical transparency. Simplify privacy notices. Let users delete data in one click. Challenge number 7, regulatory mess. POPIA, cybersecurity laws, and global rules clash. Solution, advocate loudly. Demand harmonized policies designed for privacy and portability. These challenges are real, but they're your golden opportunity. Organizations that tackle governance, skills, and ethics today will dominate SA's data-driven future. Start small. Pick one high-impact challenge, like POPIA compliance or silos. Mobilize your team. This isn't just IT's job. Measure progress monthly. No more set and forget. SA's data maze is navigable with the right map. Read our blog for more details and start to implement the steps, and you'll build trust, slash costs, and unlock game-changing insights. Subscribe for more deep dives and hit the bell. Drop your biggest data challenge in the comments. Let's solve it together.